Hello and welcome back to my channel where we capture my trail adventures, unbox subscription boxes around the outdoors, and talk about all things about getting outside and enjoying the wonderful wide world. Today we have another box by Nomadik. So let's get started. So first things first, we'll grab the card. And this month it is called Campfire Revelry. So, like always, there is a quick gear description, some tips for going outside, the monthly Nomadik challenge. This appears to have been January of 2020, as well as some brand discounts. So, let's get started. Gonna move the box off to the side. So, first thing, and on top of this box is a book called So Much More to Do, written by Becky Rasmussen. This appears to be 50 plus variations of a campfire classic, the s'more. So, like these pages, peanut butter and jelly s'mores, or strawberry shortcake s'more, or a pecan fudge cluster s'more, or a strawberries and cream cheese, or jello shot s'mores. There's some safety tips, some cleanup tips, this, and then a place for you to leave your own recipes. This looks like a wonderful book that I will definitely be putting into action as I get outside with my kids. We'll be doing quite a bit of camping this summer. Let's see. Oh, the next thing inside is from Exploria Supply Company, and this appears to be a portable s'more stick or a roasting stick. Let's find out. Ooh, that's kind of loud. And I am right. It is a portable s'more roasting stick. That is super handy. And then it's got this nice little slot so that you can slide it in there, slide it back, and keep the tip from poking anything in your gear. It's fairly light, as well as got this hang strap. You know, I don't know that I would bring this backpacking, but at the same time, it's light enough. I don't know that I wouldn't bring it into the backcountry with me. That's really cool. Let's see if they've got any other information about that in the packet. So, it says that it perfectly roasting your marshmallows or your hot dogs. It's got a durable wooden handle made to last for a lifetime, stainless steel, and retractable with a leather strap. So, yeah, exactly what I said it was. So, can't wait to give that a shot the next time I'm in the backcountry or at the campout. Next thing we've got here is a Rumple beer blanket. And I'm going to take a wild guess here and say this is a can koozie. Don't know for sure, but it does appear to be that way. So, and yep, it is exactly that. It is a can koozie. It's got a strap here on the bottom to keep your can from falling out. Then you put your can inside there. I don't know if you saw that, but it's got a mesh web on the bottom there. It's kind of hard to see. But yeah, for the next time you head outside. But to keep it nice and light, it's got this little pocket on the side for you to stuff everything back inside and take up as little room in the backpack as possible. That is cool. And we appear to have one last item here, which is the Revel Gear USB lighting kit for your campsite. It's 100 LED lights, has a dimmer switch, can plug into any standard USB switch. Uses a 5-volt USB, low power draw, 100% waterproof, and only weighs 1.6 ounces. No power included. So, these look really cool. Again, another item that I'll have to check out the next time I'm in the backcountry, but let's take a look and see what's inside. Okay, so pretty easy. It wraps up into a cord, has its own stick for putting everything together. Like I said, it's got a dimmer switch, so that's really cool. And then just your standard uh, power adapter. So I'm really looking forward to lighting up maybe a camp pop up or something else in the backcountry. So let's review. In this box from Nomadik, we have a book, So Much More to Do by Becky Rasmussen. It contains 50 plus recipes for spicing up your s'mores. It comes with a retractable roasting stick by Exploria for those hot dog and s'more needs. It comes with a Rumple beer blanket or can koozie with its own bag so that it can take up as little space in your pack as possible. And then we've got the Revel Gear Trailhead 30 foot of camping lights, USB powered. So, this will be great to add to the collection for when we are headed to camp next. Thank you very much for Nomadik. So, if this type of subscription box interests you, head on over to Nomadik and check them out. They are a very great company. They always have great value. And they can be found online at thenomadik.com or at themomadik. Thanks again for sticking around. We will have more gear unboxings throughout the year, and I will start to review each of these products individually as well. So, if this type of content interests you, please subscribe and hit the bell notification. Also, tell your friends. If you would like to have me review specific gear, please reach out and let me know, and I will try and get back to it. Please leave your comments below, and until next time, enjoy the outdoors, have fun on trail, and we'll see you out there.